Here we are on a nice long bungalow over in Tarporley, installing a Starlink for a customer. Nice easy install, 12 by 12 galvanised bracket, a 4-foot mast just to go over the roof, clear line of sight, weighed down into a mesh system, 4-way switch, back out along the fascia, hardwired into that bedroom there with another deco unit, one down into the lounge here, as the walls are about 3 foot thick and does not carry any signal through whatsoever. Another one wired back out, up, along and into his kitchen room here. Customer wasn't even offered any Wi-Fi prior to this. He's now receiving over 250 megabytes per second all throughout his house. Sharon and Phil, Space Internet Solutions.